Hi guys, welcome to Thirdheir Studio tutorial. In today's video, I will show you kung paano gumawa or how to make a nice and stunning text effect using or via Smart Object Layer. Pero bago ang lahat, if bago ka sa channel ko, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. So, tara, let's start our tutorial. First, go to File, New. Ayan po. Gawin po natin, yung document size po natin is 3,000 by 2,000 pixels. Gawin natin pong 300 yung resolution para high quality. Click OK. Let's duplicate this background and change the name to Smart Object. Then right click, convert to Smart Object, tapos duplicate uli natin and rename uli natin to Shadow. Drag nyo lang shadow layer sa folder icon and kikreate na siya ng group. I-rename natin yung group. Okay, yung first step okay na. Ngayon masok tayo sa Smart Object Layer. Double click nyo lang tong Smart Object Thumbnail. Ayan, Smart Object Thumbnail. Double click. Ayun, may nagbukas na another window which is smartobject.psp. And dyan po natin lalagay yung ating pong text. Add tayo ng text layer. Type natin speed. Okay, change mo natin yung color. Let's change the color to nating yellowish para readable na konti. Okay. Yung font na gagamitin natin is Road Rage. Road Rage. Free lang po yung font na yan. Downloadable siya online. Speed underground. Adjust natin yung leading. Okay. Okay na ako sa 60. Center natin. Then delete natin. After that, file, save natin PSP, close. Ito na po tayo sa medyo excited and thrilling part ng ating tutorial. Gagawa po tayo ng 3D effect. Ayan. Make sure you follow the instruction para hindi kayo mawala. Kasi medyo critical yung ating gagawing step. Pabalik po tayo. Ito tayo sa shadow. Ayan, group. Double click. Shadow group. Lagyan natin ng color overlay. Para hindi tayo malito. shadow. Sa part na to, magdo-duplicate tayo ng layer. And hindi basta duplicate, kundi multiple layers ang i-duplicate natin. Mga 50 to 60 layers. Okay. Ang gawin natin first, ano muna natin yung ating area to 200% para ma-drag natin. Hold and drag. Yan. Ayan. Ready na siya para i-duplicate. By pressing and holding Alt, down arrow key, release Alt key, and press right arrow key. Let's repeat the step. Holding Alt, arrow down, release Alt, right arrow key. Again, hold Alt, arrow down, release Alt, right arrow key. Okay. Ayan po, nakagawa na po tayo ng 3D effect. Okay, select the shadow folder. Using move tool, drag natin siya. Adjust natin siya. Okay. Double click. Off the color overlay. Check the gradient overlay. Spectrum. Pen. Ayan. Choose spectrum. Okay. Ayan. 30% is enough for me. It's up to you kung gusto nyo pang artihan. Bahala rin kayo pumili ng kulay na gusto nyo. Sabi ko nga, it's up to you. Ayan, okay. Next step. Ayan. Mag-a-add ngayon tayo ng shadow. Double click. Check, then drop shadow. Okay, change color. Okay na tayo dyan sa medyo gray. Opacity 100%. 50. Pwede na. Distance 45. 0 and size is 0. Okay. After that, punta tayo sa main smart object layer. Double click. Check inner shadow. And hard light. Choose hard light. I will choose light blue color. Okay. Angle 120. Distance 10. That's it. Click OK. Almost the same. May nakalimutan tayong details. We forgot these details. You have the purple line here. We forgot about that. Kaya balikan natin. Add drop shadow. Blend mode to vivid light. Vivid light. Okay. Angle 50. Distance 3. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let's add background color and noise effect for a retro look. First, click the background and let's add solid color. Okay, let's create another solid color. Let's turn it to black. Okay, right click and rasterize this. Go to filter, add noise, click OK. And let's duplicate this layer. Okay, let's select those two layers and move it to the top. See, it gives a retro look. Let's adjust the gradient a little bit. From 30 gawin natin 40 or 35. Let's drag a little bit, then press OK. Medyo lakihan natin yung speed na text. Edit natin yung smart object by double clicking the smart object thumbnail. Edit natin yung ating text and gawin natin mga 70 75. Okay, enter, file, save. Close. Okay, that's it. Select natin itong black and white. Okay, 200 scale and 45 degree. Okay, change the blending mode to soft light. Okay, that's it. This is fully editable yung text natin. Double click ulit sa smart object and Thirdheir Studio. File, save. And close. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.